Imagine you're running away from a tiger that wants to kill you. What do? For most people, the decision is simple: run or fight. Would you choose to rest, eat a meal, stop to mend a wound? I'm going to use this situation to help you understand why your diet affects your pain level, which will help you better understand the ways you can help yourself out of pain. When presented with a danger or a stressful situation, our body activates an internal adaptation process which helps us deal with stress. This happens automatically and involves changing where your blood flows, how stable your joints are, and which internal communication signals or hormones your body will favor producing. If a tiger were chasing you, it's easy to imagine that you'd want your blood flowing to your muscles and the parts of your brain which help with quick decisions. You'd want your pupils dilated so you could see more hiding places, and flexible ligaments so you could squeeze into a tight hiding place. That all makes sense. However, our internal adaptation process doesn't discriminate between types of stress, other than the intensity of the response. In other words, the bigger the danger, the quicker and more intense the response. However, even minor stressors trigger the same response, so frequent minor stress can keep the body internally in a state of running from the tiger even when you're at rest. This doesn't seem like a big deal until you think about what your body doesn't do when it's under stress. It doesn't rest, meaning internal rest and the ability to sleep. Eat a meal, which includes digesting the food and turning it into energy. Mending a wound, which means repairing musculoskeletal injuries. Maintaining a robust immune system and recovery from the impact of dealing with stress. If you have chronic pain, the likelihood is high that your body is under enough stress to keep your ligaments from restabilizing and reducing the ability to heal. The top minor stresses typically come from our diet and lifestyle. It could be skipping meals, eating sugary or carb-heavy foods and drinks, spicy foods, junk foods, too much screen time, or poor food choices, not drinking enough water, not relaxing before and during eating, not eating during a scheduled time or scheduling time for yourself, and so much more. The first step is to recognize that what you consider your external body is a reflection of the function and health of the internal body. They're a connected system, so you should reframe your mindset from only focusing on better stretches, exercises, or braces to include overall stress reduction. For many people, this change in mindset is the missing step that will lead them out of chronic pain. To help you along the way, I've created an online course called the DIY Health Assessment Course. It's a quick and simple way to organize your symptoms and lab results in a way that will help you understand what changes to make so you can recognize and reduce the stress you didn't know you had to begin the journey of decreasing pain. Also, if you want a quick reference source to help you make changes to your diet and lifestyle, check out my book, The Path to Health, A Manual for Proper Care of the Human Body. Thanks for your time, and I hope this information helps broaden your perspective and get you on your path to health. I'm Dr. Richard L. Robles. Thanks.